Okay, I'm going to make a video showing something that I had a question about. Someone emailed. So I'm going to start quilting this row, and I'm going to show you what happens when you have a bobbin run out of thread, or a top thread break, or something like that where you have to do a restart. Okay, here's what I want to you to see is that I'm stitching along, and I'm going to simulate a thread break so that I'll have to do a restart. Okay, I did get a thread break. So now I'm going to have to do a restart. Okay, so I had my thread break, and what I want you to see is that this repeat starts right there, and it ends there, and the next repeat starts. So I'm in between. It's showing me on the screen that all of this that's in red has been quilted up to this point. So you're going to have this showing that it's quilted. It'll be red. Then the black is not quilted for the rest of this repeat. So when I do a restart, I could toggle over to restart quilting, and you can see that nothing has changed. The quilted part is still red. So what I'm going to do is move my machine to the point that I need to do the restart, put the needle there, and I'm going to select that, restart quilting. And the machine's going to give me a pretty accurate place there to do this restart. Now, the only thing I have to do now is tell it, yes, I want to actually do the restart. Machine has already moved into position. So if I click quilt, it's going to take a stitch, pull up my bobbin thread, then I'll click the continue, and it's going to start quilting at the point where it stops. Now, if you notice that section that was red previously, that had already stitched, has turned back to showing that it is unstitched. Well, the part where it started stitching again is red, showing that that is stitched. So you say, well, how did all of this take place? What's going to happen when I finish? So let's finish this repeat, which is coming up to finish now, and let's see what happens to this area here where it's turned black. Okay, when it finished quilting from that restart point on to the end of this repeat, all of that repeat turned red as it should have, showing that the entire repeat had been stitched. So that's how, even though when you do a restart, the previously stitched area of a repeat may turn back to black. It's going to turn red when you finish the repeat. Okay, I finished this row, and this was just a demo to show you that if you have a thread break during a repeat of an edge to edge, or this could be in a block, then when you do your restart, the portion that you'd already stitched in that repeat is going to turn back black, but when you finish the repeat, it's going to turn red to show that it is in fact sewn. Hope this answers a question.